Everybody, welcome to Tech Insider Update.
Yeah, so George and I are going to go over the Business Central updates. There's been a whole ton of different Business Central updates that have happened, a lot of cool stuff happening. Since there's so many and not enough time to share them all, we're going to kind of concentrate on the Dataverse integration. So in Business Central, there is Dataverse now, which used to be called the CDS. What's really cool about this is that it kind of links together your customer engagement with Business Central. That's gets together, kind of gives you a full experience to kind of run your business. So with what's available currently is pretty much most of the normal entities you see within CRM or customer engagement, as well as within Business Central. So you can go on ahead and map your contacts to your contacts, go on ahead and add any mapping that you want to add. So just in case, like for example, if your units of measure don't match up to your units of measure, you can go on ahead and create that custom mapping between the two. And the nice part about it now is with a small extension and a teeny bit of code, you can go on ahead and expose all the other custom fields within CRM, as well as within Business Central, which I think is a pretty cool thing. So just in case any customers customize customer engagement, which I know everybody does, you can actually utilize those fields.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hi, Scott. Sorry, I thought they were going to toss it to me. They tossed it straight to you. One thing about the context of this, with the ERP system, you know, ERP systems kind of evolve slowly. We're really focused on always staying standards compliant, and it's very business process oriented. It's not quite as tech oriented as a lot of the other products that we have in our stack here. But one of the areas that really is a big issue is integrating with the rest of the stack. And Microsoft early on, when they announced the Dataverse, although it was originally called CDS, and you've probably heard that recurring theme that of Microsoft changing the product names on us. It's been pretty nice to see them as they are gradually getting Business Central integrated into that Dataverse stack. And now we're actually getting connectivity between Business Central and the other products within the stack through that Dataverse. Even some of the items that Preston has been talking about with Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, all of that ties into Business Central. It can tie in through the Dataverse, and so this is giving us the ability to really get Business Central integrated, not just more tightly with other items in the Microsoft stack, but also through Power Automate and various other Azure services available in the stack to connect it to external systems. Maybe Scott, you can talk a little bit about this particular example that you gave here. What was the challenge the customer was facing, and how did this technology enable you to solve it and yet stay within kind of the starting with the out-of-the-box features of the integration?
Yeah, sure. So the challenge that they were running into was in their customer engagement. They wanted to see salespeople to kind of control when an order was coming over to Business Central. So there's a custom field in customer engagement that they utilize for that. And that currently wasn't available in Dataverse integration inside BC. So what we did is we just went on ahead and created a quick table extension and page extension. So it'd be available in BC, and it could filter it out. So it'll only bring over the orders with where the salesperson has agreed that they should come over to Business Central to be fulfilled and shipped out to the customer.
Yeah, so you were able to take the out of the box, rather than having to write a complete integration from scratch because it didn't, the out of the box one didn't work for them. You were able to just extend the out of the box experience. I think we're finding it common too that people really love dimensional accounting within Business Central. It allows them to create various views of their financial statements based on dimensional or analysis data passed from the transactions into the ledger transactions, but different companies get their dimension values from different data points within CRM, And so it's impossible to create a canned integration that'll work for everybody to bring those dimension values over. And so we're finding this is a great way, isn't it, to take a specific field in CRM, like say the market channel that's already a base field on the account, and saying, well, we actually have a market channel analysis field or dimension in BC. So let's map that to populate the dimension on the GL transactions when we bring them over into Business Central. So I think that's another great application for this technology.